Hey guys, today we're gonna be making some delicious pork skewers. The best part about it, it pairs so good with some grilled guacamole. If you haven't grilled your avocados, what are you waiting for? All right guys, so we're going to get started prepping this pork. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right into here and you're gonna slice off that silver tough skin that we don't want. All right, so now I'm going to cut the pork into medallions. I'm just finishing up, slicing up this pork, and we are now going to start on the marinade. You gotta make sure that you keep your hands clean when you're touching raw meat and you're touching everything else. You don't wanna contaminate yourself. All right, so I got my pork medallion sliced and ready for those skewers, but we need to marinate them. So I'm gonna get the marination ready by first cutting my red onion. I like to just slice them right in half and that'll be a perfect size for the skewers. So first I'm gonna put in the extra virgin olive oil, some Italian seasoning, a little bit of salt and pepper, the onions that we had cut up, and our pork. Get them marinating. All right guys, so we're gonna start skewering our pork skewers. I'm gonna alternate from pork and onion, just like that. So I'm gonna get the other avocado prepped and ready for the grill. I slice it all around, do a little twist, boom, done. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Get those babies on the grill, along with 2 jalapeños and 2 cloves of garlic. Get these skewers on that hot grill. Hear that sizzle? Ready to rock. All right, so now we're gonna get working on that incredible grilled guacamole. I've never been more excited. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to score the inside. This makes it super easy to scoop out and mash up. All right, so I've scored my avocado, my grilled avocado, and you just give a little squeeze. Super easy. These jalapeños, I'm going to cut the stem off and de-seed them. If you like it spicy, you can add in a little bit of seeds. I do not. And I'm gonna take off any char that I see that is on these jalapeños also. I'm gonna do the same for my garlic. I'm going to squeeze out all of this delicious, soft garlic. So we're gonna add the garlic in there. We're gonna add some jalapeno in there. And now, just for a reminder, make sure you wash your hands after handling the jalapeños. You touch your eyes and you won't be happy. I'm going to mash it up with a fork and get all that roasted garlic goodness in there. Next, I'm working on my tomatoes to throw in that guac. You're gonna de-seed them. Let's chop up about a 1/4 cup. I like to roll mine into a bowl and just get to chopping. All right, so I'm going to add in my red onion, my de-seeded tomatoes. I'm gonna do some salt and pepper. I'm gonna add in my fresh lime juice. And we're gonna mix it up together. I'm gonna try it is obviously because I wanna see if I need to add any more seasoning, salt and pepper, and because I'm starving. So good. All right guys, I am ready to dig into this grilled guacamole and pork kebabs. I'm going to get some pork, some onion, and some guac. The guac and the pork, I can't even tell you how flavorful that guac is. The pork is perfectly cooked. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Michelle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what I should grill next. Keep it here for more awesome grilling at Bussin Eats.